Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Gayatri and today we are at a really famous place in Sinhagad Road. Today we are at Sawai Veg and it is a very popular veg restaurant here, and today we are here to try some of the specialities. So now let us go inside and see what we have for us. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Gayatri and today we are at a really famous veg restaurant in Pune which is called as Sawai Veg, and Sawai Veg is located on Sinhagad Road, and we are here to try some of the special dishes from the menu. So right now I have with me veg mix. This is a Thai veg mix and it consists of paneer, baby corn and mushrooms, and the preparation really looks fantastic. Also I do have paneer ghee roast, which is again a really popular South Indian preparation, and I'll try both of the dishes and let you know which I like the most. So guys, I've tried both the dishes and the paneer was really good. I actually like the paneer ghee roast because of the masala. Like the masalas are really spicy and pungent. Also the flavor of ghee is really bringing out the best in all the spices. Now talking about the paneer which is in the Thai mix, like the paneer, baby corn and the mushrooms. I actually tried the baby corn and it was really nice. Like if you are someone who actually likes to go with spicy and sweet flavors, then this dish is definitely a must try here. Also they have served this with Szechuan chutney, whereas paneer ghee roast, it doesn't need anything to else to eat with it, because you know the masala itself is really good on its own. So yeah, I enjoyed the starters, and till then we'll see you in the main course now. So guys, I right now tried the broccoli tikka, and I must say that the preparation of the broccoli tikka is something which is very unique. Now I'm not a fan of broccoli, but you know the way they have prepared broccoli is very different. They have actually used fresh grated coconut, which is giving it a really tender and a nice texture. Also the smoky flavor from the coal which is burning right beneath it is like something very unique. Also a pretty Instagrammable dish, and we also have the main course with us. We have some salad, we have a corn mirchi preparation I guess, and we also have their specialty which is the moti masala. So we'll serve the main course and meanwhile we'll just review the dishes now. I especially like the kasturi moti masala a lot. It was a red gravy based kind of kebab which was a stuffing inside bread, and it was really yum. I also tried the tawa pulao along with some cheese garlic naan, and I must say that the tawa pulao was really amazing. The masala which they used for the tawa pulao was also made in-house, so it is like really an add-on. So guys, this was it for Sawai Veg. I hope you guys must have liked this video. Also the place is really beautiful. Like you can see, even the outdoor seating is pretty good, and they do have live music playing on the weekends, and you should definitely drop by to have some really lip smacking veg food here. And yeah, until then keep watching the next video. Till then, like, subscribe and share.